There is a reason you are drawn to certain people. One of these factors is whether the individual is masculine or feminine. We are sexually drawn to people who have the opposite sexual essence as us. This isn't a male-female issue. It's all about energy. This means that the characteristics that distinguish you as a man are the ones that most appeal to women. Here are 5 distinctly masculine characteristics that women find irresistible. Number 1. Presence. There is something inherently attractive about a man who is present. Your presence is your willingness to be consciously there in the current moment. When you listen to a woman, she can sense your presence. When you are fully involved in a task that is important to you, she can sense your presence. When you're integrated to your core, she can feel your presence. It takes practice to be present. It's something that you can improve on. We have a cultural epidemic of not being present. We find numerous ways to divert our attention throughout the day, but you can learn to be more present if you want to. The simplest way to accomplish this is to begin a meditative practice. Meditation will teach you how to connect with the present moment. Number 2. Purpose. A man with a goal in life is appealing. Your objective could be anything. It may be to change the world. It may be to test your body's limits. It may even be starting a business or building a house. It can be making art or being the nicest person you know. It doesn't matter what your goal is. However, the more it stands to benefit humanity, the better. What matters is that you have a purpose or are on your way to discovering one. If you haven't found your purpose yet, the best place to start is by asking yourself what you're most passionate about. Your goal is usually to share your passion with others. Number 3. Direction. With intention comes direction. The goal is to know what you're here to do and the path to take to achieve it. The feminine essence is more about feeling and being. Yes, most of us do a lot of things, but women are drawn to men who get things done. He has a plan and is taking action, even small ones, to get the job done. This is a man's path. Your clear direction gives her a sense of security. If she knows you can maneuver well on your own, she will feel more at ease in your presence. She doesn't need to show you how because you already know. Number 4. Trust and honesty. Obviously, trust and honesty are crucial components in all relationships. Trust is earned by acting honestly, but the definition extends beyond that. Can a woman believe you're being honest with yourself? Intuition is a distinctive feminine characteristic, and with it comes the ability to detect your BS from a mile away. When you learn to be completely honest with yourself about your difficulties, flaws, challenges, and strengths, a woman will sense your integrity and trust you. Number 5. Humor. Every woman looks for a potential partner who is clever and funny. Humor has the ability to lift one's spirits. The feminine becomes deeply involved in her emotions as well as her to-do list. This is especially stressful for a woman. If you can make a woman laugh, they can appreciate your ability to bring joy and light into their lives. Keep in mind, all you men out there, that your masculinity is a gift to both your partner and the world. It is part of what distinguishes you.